Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by gathering just what's required: device type, account credentials, and connectivity. Once done, unlock the device and sign into the correct account. Make sure 2 FA codes are accessible. Next, open the platform store or browser and search using the exact app name and developer name together. Use quotes if needed to narrow results. This prevents confusion with similarly named apps and gets you to the right listing faster. You now verify the app's identity by checking details the store shows. Once you find candidates, compare screenshots and the version number to what you expect. Make sure the developer name matches. If the store offers filters, use category or recent updates to refine results. If it's a web app, inspect the domain and SSL certificate. Make sure to read the short description to confirm core features before proceeding to install or open the app. You complete the process by installing and launching the app, then signing in with the correct account. If you're prompted for permissions, grant only what's necessary. After logging in, verify core features work and check the app settings for your profile. If the app doesn't appear or fails to run, try clearing store cache, switching region or VPN, or reinstalling. Troubleshooting tip: if blocked by region or account flags, contact the developer or support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.